Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Pocket Code and granting the minimum permissions it needs to run. Once done, make sure you pick the device orientation and enable autosave so you do not lose work. You should sign in if you want cloud backups, but guest mode works for quick tests. Now create a new project and name it clearly. This organizes your files and makes it easier to find versions later. Begin with a single sprite to keep the first step simple. You add a sprite and decide whether to draw, import, or capture an image. This choice affects file size and timing. Next, attach an event block like when program starts, and chain control and motion bricks to make the sprite move. This shows cause and effect immediately. Once comfortable, create variables for score and speed and separate complex logic into scenes. This keeps behavior modular and easier to debug. Test after small changes to confirm each piece works correctly. You should run the project often and observe timing by slowing motion or adding logs. This reveals race conditions. When ready to share, export as an APK for Android or package the project file for collaborators. Include a permissions list so users know what to accept. If something fails, first check event ordering, make sure variables reset when intended, and verify media file paths. If audio or images do not load,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.